Cracking the code, identifying supporting details in English text. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of reading comprehension and specifically focus on a crucial skill: identifying supporting details for each main idea. Mastering this strategy will help you understand texts better, create effective outlines, and ace your English language learning journey. Before we jump into identifying supporting details, let's recap. A main idea is the primary concept or point that an author wants to communicate to their readers. It's the backbone of the text. But a backbone needs support to stand, right? That's where supporting details come into play. These are the pieces of information or descriptions that reinforce, explain, or elaborate on the main idea. The first step in creating an outline is identifying the main ideas. Typically, the main idea of a text can be found in the title, first sentence, or last sentence of a paragraph. Look for general statements that capture the overall message of the text or section. These broad ideas are your main ideas. Now that you've identified your main ideas, it's time to find the supporting details. These often include facts, statistics, examples, descriptions, or anecdotes that relate to and bolster the main idea. Supporting details might not stand out as obviously as main ideas, but they add substance to the text and are necessary for full comprehension. Identifying supporting details isn't as difficult as it sounds. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Read carefully. First and foremost, read the entire paragraph or section. Understand the context and content before you begin analyzing. 2. Highlight the main idea. Mark the sentence or sentences that capture the overall message of the text. This is your main idea. 3. Look for information that supports the main idea. Now, go through the remaining sentences. Highlight the ones that explain, prove, or give more information about the main idea. These are your supporting details. 4. Check your understanding. After highlighting, ask yourself, do these details support the main idea? How? If you can answer this question convincingly, you've found your supporting details. The key to mastering this skill is practice. The more texts you analyze and the more main ideas and supporting details you identify, the better you'll become. So keep reading, keep identifying, and keep learning. And that's a wrap. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to identify supporting details for each main idea. Remember, the goal here is not just to read, but to comprehend and understand. Practice this strategy regularly, and you'll see improvement in your reading comprehension in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.